Hello guys, in this video I will tell you the basics of regular expression, and regular expression is used to extract substrings from a collection of characters. And to use regular expression you need three things. One is the input string, another one is pattern, and another one is output. And this regular expression parses the input string character by character based upon a pattern, and if there is a match found then it will put those characters into the output. And regular expression is very fast and very efficient, and it eliminates tons of string handling code. So a pattern is a particular arrangement of characters. So using this pattern we will use regular expression to extract all the substrings that matches with this pattern. And for example, if you take a string and if the pattern is like all strings of length 3 that starts with 2, and now the regular expression will start parsing the input string and it will extract all those possible substrings which starts with 2 and the total length is 3. And you can see that in this input string there are totally 4 different possible combinations, that is 234, 238, 294 and 203. So if you change the pattern like all strings of length 2 that ends with 5, then regular expression will parse the input string character by character, and it will see the possible 2-digit strings in which the last character is 5, and there is only 2 possible combinations, that is 45 and 85. So now we will see how to do regular expression in Python. So first step is you must import a library called as RE, and the second one is you need 3 different things as I told you earlier. The one is input string, and another one is the pattern, and at last you need an output to store all the substrings. So let the input string be a random collection of characters, and now the pattern is you must extract the word A from the input string. So the pattern is A, and C stores the output of the regular expression. So there is a function in RE called as re.findAll. So this accepts 2 things. First one is the pattern followed by the input string. So when you print this C, you will get the required output. That is, the regular expression will parse the input string, and based upon the pattern A, it will extract where A is present and it will be placed in C.